현금 수송 회사에 다니는 젊은 한 남자. 그는 사회 초년생 트래비스입니다.
Hey, Mikey.
평소와 다름없이 일을 하는 와중 한 여성을 만나게 되는데
Can I borrow that? The pen.
Oh, yeah.
Are you gonna give it to me?
Oh. Yeah, sorry.
Thanks. You should read this.
Oh, my God.
하지만 그는 그녀의 호감 표시를 강도라고 오해하며
What?
은행을 한바탕 혼란에 빠뜨리게 되죠.
Lay down, flat.
I'm not getting on this day of flow.
Hey, Mikey, we're gonna be heroes.
Could you just read the note?
What?
Bring it on down and read the note.
I mean, a note in a bank?
I thought it was cute.
하지만 이내 오해가 풀리게 된 두 사람.
I'm having a good time. I just, I wish it wasn't.
Oh, you thought the date was over. How cute.
Is there more?
This date isn't over until your uniform is on my hotel room floor.
그들은 즐거운 데이트와 함께 뜨거운 하룻밤을 보내게 됩니다. 그리고 오늘 25주년 결혼기념일을 맞은 남성. 그는 오랫동안 현금 수송 회사에 근무했으며 곧 퇴직 후 아내와 함께 B&B 사업을 하려는 러셀입니다.
Happy.
Now, if I'm not mistaken, this is our 25th anniversary, right?
I think it's the wood anniversary.
No, I think it's actually the silver anniversary.
Are you sure?
I'm pretty sure it's silver. Oh, hell no.
평소와 같이 일찍 출근한 그는 충격적인 소식을 듣게 되는데
The Swedes Barrel Loop? Come on, Clark, not today. Can't do it. It's way out in the middle of nowhere.
You're my best guy. Why?
Hey, man, this is my 25th wedding anniversary. I need a shorter shift.
Yeah, that's
This is your job. You don't want to do your job, get the fuck out of my depot.
사장의 명령에 어쩔 수 없이 동의하는 러셀.
Right. I'll do the shift.
Lovely, you made my day. Thank you so much.
Okay, who am I gonna be with?
Where's Travis? Asshole head.
Asshole head.
Oh, he's got a face that, resembles an asshole in a way.
Yo! What up, boys? I got laid this weekend.
그는 내키지 않지만 새내기 트래비스와 함께 근무를 떠나게 됩니다. 한편 누군가의 명령으로 폐창고로 집결하는 수상한 두 남자.
That better not be hot.
Whatever, bro. We're gonna be dumping them at the end either way. You're just jelly, because I won't be pushing that trash-ass meth lab on wheels of yours.
It's not a fashion show, J-Lo.
Cut it out.
싸움이 깊어지자 리더로 보이는 한 여성이 나타납니다.
Yeah. About that. How do I put this? Kyle got shot.
바로 전날 트래비스와 뜨거운 데이트를 했던 조이였죠.
More?
This date isn't over until your uniform is on my hotel room floor. Change up. Banner meet Miguel, Miguel meet Banner.
Pleasure, bro.
In 1 hour, Guardian Armored Services Truck 1426 travels east from Sweetsboro across a 100-mile dead zone to Pleasantville.
He doesn't even know.
No cell service, nothing going out on air, nothing coming in. We got 70 minutes along with the truck to get inside to take his 60 mil.
그녀는 내부자가 아니면 알 수 없는 정보를 이미 알고 있었으며 두 남자와 함께 수송 차량 강탈 계획을 실행하게 됩니다.
Both smarter than I thought. We leave in 5. Suit up.
Travis, goddammit, come in!
Let's go for Trav.
Did you go into a First Atlantic branch on Friday and pull a gun on someone?
Sir, that was handled, sir.
Nothing's handled.
순조롭게 업무를 시작하자마자 앞선 은행 사건이 들켜 직장에서 해고당하는 트래비스.
Fuck!
Why don't you just let me explain, Clark? Hold on.
No explanation. You're fired. I want your badge and gun. You understand?
Badge and gun.
What are you, the police commissioner? I mean, come on, man. Besides, the investigators took it already.
So the joke's on you.
You know what? The fact you ever thought you could become a real cop is a joke.
When this is all over, you won't be able to get a job as a meter maid.
You understand that?
경찰을 꿈꿨지만 현실의 벽에 막혀 수송업체에 몸담게 된 그를 러셀은 다소 귀찮은 듯 무심하게 달래주게 되죠.
Hey, you all right?
No.
Hey, you're gonna be fine.
I'm not gonna be fine.
I'm never gonna become a cop.
하지만 그때 조이와 강도들은 수송 차량에 접근하게 되고
Hang tight, Miguel.
Hey, yo, you seeing this?
Get around them.
Yo, get it together.
이내 수송 차량을 강하게 압박하는 데 성공하게 됩니다.
All right, boys, let's rock.
그들의 앞을 가로막고 위협적인 협박을 시작하는 조이.
We're gonna die. We're gonna die. I knew it.
Calm down. Remember your training.
I took a 15-hour online course. What training?
러셀은 급하게 회사에 신고를 해보지만
You're already in the dead zone.
하필 데드존에 들어와 연결이 이루어지지 않게 되죠. 강도들의 끈질긴 협박은 계속되고 일이 쉽게 풀릴 것 같지 않자 그들은 차량에 최루탄을 넣게 되는데 하지만 베테랑답게 기지를 발휘하는 러셀.
I can't see. I can't see. Oh my God! Is that an energy drink? That monster! Hold on! Shit!
다소 위험했지만 무사히 위기를 벗어나게 됩니다. 하지만 포기하지 않고 다음 작전을 시작하는 조이와 일행들.
They're out of the dead zone in 15. Miguel, let's do this.
Now we're having fun.
이번엔 그들은 수송 차량에 몸을 던져 과감한 탈취 작전을 실행했죠. 차량에 올라타는 걸 성공하자 산소 절단기를 이용해 철문을 뜯으려고 하는 강도들.
He's cutting through. Push him, man. Go.
I can't hold much longer.
Almost there.
Push. Can't hold them back. They're too heavy.
긴박한 상황이 계속되자 러셀이 다시 한번 나서게 됩니다.
What are you gonna do?
Try not to die.
That's a cool ass line.
Miguel, he's on the side door.
Surprise, bitch!
결국 거센 총격전이 시작되고
You all right? No, I'm not all right.
Get back to cutting.
He started it.
Tell me when he's about to pop out again.
필사적으로 수송 차량을 방어하는 러셀과 트래비스. 하지만 이내 총을 놓치며 위기를 맞이하게 되는데
Not to worry. Pepper spray.
Yeah, I'm gonna take this and spray it up my ass. We got about a minute.
차량을 탈취당하면 무조건 죽게 될 걸 알고 있는 러셀은 강도들의 시선을 돌리기 위해 서둘러 차량 밖으로 현금을 뿌리기 시작하죠.
What the fuck? Just take it.
Look at this shit.
Make it rain. It's raining, man. Hallelujah. It's raining. No? All right.
Stop improvising. Get back to the plan.
그러다 은행에서 안전장치로 숨겨놓은 염료폭탄을 발견하여 곧바로 공격하기 시작합니다.
Yahtzee.
Well, shit.
먼저 배너를 처리하는 데 성공하지만
Fuck this thing.
결국 차량에 올라탄 집요한 미겔.
You're never gonna make me late for my anniversary.
Shit.
과격한 몸싸움 이후 미겔까지 처리하는 데 성공하고
That's what I'm talking about. That's right. That's what I'm talking about. Okay. All right. Oh shit. It's not done yet. Go get him. You got it. Fuck him up.
마지막으로 따라오는 조이까지 처리하는 데 성공하게 되죠.
That was awesome, dude. You were full Jason Statham back there. And we got it all on camera, so we could send it to the police academy, show them I'm good enough to be a cop, and shove it right up their fucking ass. You looked great out there.
Sup?
하지만 결국 수송 차량 탈취에 성공하는 조이. 그녀는 허름한 창고에 그들을 납치하는 데까지 성공하게 됩니다.
And while you're at it, since you're gonna kill us, why don't you just show us who you are, huh? Who sold us out? Tell us who sold us out!
트래비스는 조이를 한눈에 알아보게 되고
You know, sometimes you know who you paired up with, but sometimes you don't.
Oh, the Swedesboro loop?
The route goes right through here. You won't see anyone for like an hour.
Yeah, the dead zone lasts for about 90 minutes.
Security around the truck is pretty simple. Nobody knows about that.
We have like 5 cameras, right? No, sir. You go about like 80 miles an hour, maybe like 90.
그녀에게 자신의 업무에 대해 거리낌 없이 모든 걸 말했던 그는 혼란스러워하죠.
Oh, no.
If you throw up, you a bitch. You swallow that shit.
꼼짝없이 죽기 직전에 놓인 두 사람에게 조이는 깜짝 놀랄 제안을 하게 되는데
Y'all took my man out, putting me in a very difficult situation where I either got a bail on $60 million and a genius plan that took 2 years to put together, or do it with the two of you sons of bitches.
Wait, with us?
I don't know where you're getting your information from, but there was only $300,000 on our truck, not $60 million.
The truck is the score.
The truck?
Wait, that truck? Our truck?
All you had to do was get out, and now we at this pivotal crossroad, and I need to know, are you in or out?
두 사람을 납치 후 회사의 평소처럼 행동하라고 명령하는 조이.
Travis, we lost signal on your GPS. Where are you?
Oh, I don't know. It's probably because your fucking trucks suck.
God, I wish I fired you months ago.
그러다 그녀는 트래비스가 앞선 은행 사건으로 인해 회사에서 잘린 상황과
Yeah, I got fired. It's a funny story, actually. I think you'll enjoy it. You see, I was at the bank, and I thought this woman was trying to rob it, so I pulled a gun on her.
Sounds like a colossal screw up.
Yeah, then she disappeared on him after he fell in love with her.
I did not fall in love.
그가 자신을 좋아한다는 사실을 알게 됩니다.
Yeah, you did.
No. If anything, she fell in love. That's why she ghosted me.
I don't think she fell in love.
You know,
It's her.
그때 러셀의 아내 나탈리에게 전화가 오는데
Nope, that's a bad idea for me to answer that.
because she has a sixth sense about stuff like this and she'll be able to tell something's wrong with my voice.
Worst idea if you ignore. Answer it and tell her that your boss needed another stop and you need a rain check on dinner.
그는 어쩔 수 없이 아내에게 거짓말을 하게 되죠.
But listen, we're not going to be able to do dinner tonight because Clark added another stop.
Huh. Another stop.
Well, you know how Clark be doing.
Mm-hmm.
I love you.
Yep. Have a good day.
Okay. That was a total disaster.
Yeah, well, turn here.
Here, but
Now.
조이의 명령대로 도착한 애틀랜틱 시티 비밀 정비소.
There they are. Look, change of plans. The other guys are out, and the truck is more damaged than expected. Can you fix it? I need to know right now.
그들은 급한 대로 차를 맡기고 간단하게 식사를 하러 떠납니다.
Give me about an hour. I'll take care of this shit.
Cool.
식당에 도착한 그녀는 자신의 계획을 설명하는데
This is the casino we're robbing, the Sorrento. At 2:45 p.m., we pull into the Sorrento, 15 minutes before the scheduled pickup. And we enter underground in the garage, all on camera. For the security checkpoint, my guy is changing the numbers on the truck right now and installing an RFID transponder inside the truck, confirming it's active.
They're all clear.
Green light, we're inside. They'll think we're the real truck.
Then what?
Every Monday, the truck picks up $60 million in cash. It's the weekend earnings. Today, we happen to be that truck. And we're not going back to the depot.
계획이 실패할 것임을 확신하는 러셀.
You know, if the casino guards that were for any sense, they're gonna know that something's up. I wore some different cologne in there once, and they talked about this shit for 2 weeks. This shit is not going to work.
The truck's ready.
맡겨놓은 트럭이 준비되자 조이는 러셀을 묶어두고 수송업체 유니폼이 필요했던 그녀는 트래비스와 옷을 맞바꾸기 위해 화장실로 향하게 되죠.
You fell in love this weekend?
What? No, I never said that, no.
I had a good time. You didn't?
Yeah. Yeah, I had fun. Of course.
그 사이 빠르게 식당을 탈출하는 러셀.
I'm sure there's a really good reason for this. You looking at my ass?
Shut up. Come on. Make a left.
결국 그는 방심한 조이의 무기를 빼앗는데 성공하게 됩니다.
You all right, so? You okay? Did he hurt you?
What do you mean, is she okay? What are you talking about? What are you, friends?
I don't know.
Give me the gun.
Huh?
Give me the damn gun.
하지만 차마 조이를 위협할 수 없던 트래비스는 자신이 들고 있던 총을 넘기고 말죠.
What are you doing? Wait a minute, it's you? You're the inside man? Oh, it's you?
No.
Yes, yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes. No, I'm not. Yes, you are. No. You're the inside man. I'm trying to.
러셀은 트래비스가 스파이라고 오해하게 되지만 조이가 모든 사실을 말하며 상황을 정리합니다.
Technically, Travis is my inside man, but he didn't know he was. I'm the girl he pulled the gun on. The one he fell in love with.
Yes, I'm sorry, man. I didn't know.
She plays you.
Don't blame him. I'm pretty good at my job.
결국 다시 개조된 수송 트럭으로 탑승한 3명. 조이는 다시 한번 자신의 계획에 차질이 생기지 않게 확실하게 트래비스를 포박하죠.
Oh, you don't think I can break out of this and blow up this whole operation?
Oh, you wouldn't want to put your boo in danger.
She's not my boo, okay? That ship has sailed.
Oh, now I'm not your baby girl?
I'm undecided.
We could still run off into the sunset after all of this.
Well, let's do that. Yeah, let's run off into the sunset. And how about we stop this whole robbery nonsense, because it's ridiculous.
그리고 이 일을 해야만 하는 이유를 전하는데
My dad worked security there for 17 years. There was a fire in one of the restaurants, and whenever there's a fire in the casino, it triggers the vault's failsafe. automatically closes to protect the money. But the security guards in there, they would have been trapped, losing oxygen within minutes. And instead of paying his workers' comp and his benefits, so now I'm taking what's important to them. Their money.
사랑에 빠져 그녀를 옹호하는 트래비스.
I'm sorry about your dad.
하지만 그때 집에 있던 나탈리가 위치 추적 어플로 러셀을 찾아왔고
Russell! I know you see me! That's right, you better open this door right now! Open this door!
Hey, Natalie!
Russell!
Hey, Mama! You need to leave.
Oh, you couldn't make it back on time?
No,
But it
listen.
looks like you're back.
Yes, but listen.
You can't lie to me. Did you forget you married a Latina? I put a fucking chip in your neck, hijo de...
그는 서둘러 집으로 돌려보내려 하지만
So much about you. I'm Russ's new boss. Like, have you actually been in one of these before?
No, as a matter of fact, I have not.
Hey, no. Yeah, okay, all right. Yeah, now you see what it's like in here.
이 상황을 상상조차 못했던 그녀도 어쩔 수 없이 동행하게 되죠.
Yes. Okay, all right. Yep, we're getting robbed, but it's okay. It's all right. We're okay. Just do what she says.
Well, of course I'm gonna do what she says. Think I'm gonna try to be a hero for somebody else's money? She's got a gun.
p.m. Central pickup.
Stand by while I run those tags.
본격적으로 카지노로 진입하는 그들.
Here we go.
Where's Mark and Jax?
계획대로 진입에 성공하지만 이내 위기를 맞이하는데
Well,
You haven't heard what happened?
No, what?
It was a mental health leave. They got stuck up by some fools trying to come up big. Yeah, luckily they kept their cool. The perp got shot when he ran.
They always do.
아내의 안전이 걱정된 러셀이 순발력을 발휘하게 됩니다.
Who'd be dumb enough to rob an armored truck?
Only the dumbest of asses.
아무 의심 없이 금고 내부에 들어간 러셀과 조이는 현금을 성공적으로 탈취하고
Here, let me get that for you.
no, we got it.
Whoa. We got it, bro. It's all good. Oh, we just like to do everything by the book, bro.
Okay, just trying to help.
아슬아슬하게 탈출하는 데까지 성공하죠.
Turn here.
Well, this looks like a good place to bury a dead body.
Exactly. That's where I'm gonna leave you.
Leaving who? What?
Relax. I stashed the car. Actually, I stashed two. You can take Banner and Miguel's.
마지막 집결지인 창고에 안전하게 도착한 그들.
There it is. There's my baby.
하지만 그때 죽은 줄 알았던 미겔과 베너에게 기습적인 공격을 당하게 되는데
Russell, honey, Russell, wake up. Wake up.
Oh, look who's waking up.
Russell.
Hey.
No.
Relax. Hey, man. What the f***?
You relax too.
눈을 떠보니 돈은 물론 목숨도 잃어버릴 위기에 빠지게 되었죠.
That's not good.
Thanks for doing all the hard work.
Come on, you got me, all right? You got the money. Just let them go.
You like your new partners better than your old ones, huh? That's a damn shame.
이번엔 트래비스가 기지를 발휘해 러셀과 합동작전을 펼치게 되고
That's it?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Money's in the car. Light him up.
Shit's about to get spicy.
Go!
Russ, hurry. Cut it!
잡혀있던 조이를 가까스로 구해주며 시작되는 총격전.
Yeah. All right, help her first. Then. Oh, shit! Come on.
그녀는 미겔을 처리하는 데 성공하지만 배너에겐 승산이 없다고 판단해 현금이 가득한 차를 타고 도주하게 됩니다.
My insurance policy.
그 사이 나탈리는 배너에게 납치되고 서로의 목적을 위한 분노의 질주가 시작되죠. 손에 땀을 쥐게 만드는 마지막 추격전. 그들 모두 마지막 도주 장소인 비행장에 도착하지만 배너의 끈질긴 저항으로 폭파 직전인 수송 차량.
Hey, we're on fire! Wheels getting hot. Stop the truck! Brakes are out!
어쩔 수 없이 두 사람은 차량에서 뛰어내리는데
Go, go, go! Go with it! You gotta get out! Out! We're just gonna jump!
기다렸던 조이가 두 사람을 구하게 되죠. 다시 시작되는 격렬한 총격전. 배너의 화력에 밀려 끝났다고 생각하는 그 순간
I'm out.
What do we do?
기절했던 나탈리가 깨어나 그의 폭주를 마무리합니다.
Told you. You fuck with my husband, I will end you.
Baby.
I saved your ass. Oh, you okay?
I'm okay. You okay?
Yeah.
Happy anniversary.
You wanna ride off into the sunset with me?
No. But I won't stop you.
그녀를 사랑하지만 보내주는 트래비스.
There she goes.
그리고 이내 경찰들이 도착하며 상황이 정리되죠. 하지만 주머니 속 찢어진 지폐에 그녀의 번호가 있었고 빠르게 삼켜버리는 트래비스.
You really stepped up today, Rook. Good for you.
그리고 러셀은 경찰에게 그의 영웅적 활약을 거짓 증언해서 트래비스는 그토록 바라는 경찰이 됩니다.
Oh, thank God. I've been trying numbers all month. I couldn't remember the last 3 digits.
What?
I'm glad I finally got a hold of you. I've been doing some thinking. Hey, look, I know this is embarrassing, but I just need to know. Like, was that real?
Do you really want to see me again?
Guess you're gonna have to come to Bali to find out.
하지만 그는 사랑을 위해 조이가 있는 발리로 떠나게 되죠. 그리고 은퇴 후 B&B 사업을 하는 러셀에게 커다란 돈을 보내주며 영화는 마무리되게 됩니다. 코미디의 제왕 에디 머피가 주연으로 참여했던 액션 코미디 영화 더 픽업이었습니다. 지금까지 시청해주셔서 감사합니다.